My name is Leah. I'm going to teach you how to draw a bluebird. First, you draw a little circle like that little, and then you draw that, and you draw his eyes like that. Draw another eye, you draw a bottom like that, another one like that. You draw his eye, another eye, and then you're gonna make this eye bigger. Okay, so now you're gonna draw this big beak, and draw his tail. Okay, there's Bluebird. Now I'm just gonna color him. And get orange color for that. Okay, let's color his body blue. Okay, let's get orange for his beak. Let's get black. Okay, there you have the bluebird. So now I'm going to outline him. Okay, there you have the bluebird. I hope you guys like it. So bye.